Good day, welcome to Diamond Media. I am Shaaz of grade 8 bringing you today's news updates. Diamond International School observes the holy month of Ramadan with meaningful activities and unity. News in details. Diamond International School marked the blessed month of Ramadan with devotion, learning and togetherness through a series of special activities. Students actively participated in charity initiatives, helping them understand the true importance of giving kindness and compassion. Daily du'as were shared throughout the month, helping students to gain knowledge about the meanings and significance. Special emphasis was given to the importance of Laylatul Qadr, creating awareness and encouraging students to make the most of this sacred time. The school also organized an iftar gathering for staff and the first batch students. Muslims and non-Muslims all gathered together for the iftar, beautifully reflecting unity, respect and spirit of a diversity. Overall, the Ramadan celebrations at Diamond International School were filled with learning, reflection and joy, leaving a lasting impact on all students. That concludes today's special report. Thank you for watching Diamond Media. Stay tuned for the next updates.